So what's up, guys? How you not doing? Good morning, afternoon, evening, depending on where you guys are watching this video from. Barika the Salah coming up. They say tomorrow on a public holiday. And Wednesday as well. Wait, Wednesday. Wednesday is supposed to be Salah,
When
but
is in Salah now?
they say not tomorrow.
You know,
We do not know yet. We are watching for the moon as usual.
I want to
To
talk now.
also know if it's tomorrow or next tomorrow. But meanwhile, Wednesday or Tuesday is Salah, and Baraka the Salah to all my fellow Muslims, brothers and sisters. And again, you know, there is no public holiday in adamslinkmedia.
For sure now.
No public holiday. We are going to be here enjoying ourselves and also giving you the latest gist, the latest Salah gist. And meanwhile, guys, for those of you who no one carry you na giveaway, please donate it to someone else now. Someone like a Big Sam. Make that one will just the type.
Big Sam, no one send the name.
They type. Send your account number. You dey use that effort. Say they type. Say the notice send your account number. And so many other persons as well. Even this Vicky Watt as well. I don't understand that. This 0149.
0149 don't
that
send
prince.
the account, but it's a normal message for normal chat.
Normal
Go
chat.
find the account number now go add.
That guy Prince Abi. Prince Abeg, resend your account number.
Prince is different from this. This guy is out now.
Okay, so that beg, resend your account number. So many other people
Familian will send your money now. I don't see your account number.
Familiar will send your account number.
Mirabe.
So next comedy Empire, then
Mirabe, Derek.
if you no need them, you say you feel say the money too small.
You can give it to somebody
Give
else.
it to someone and say, Adam Sling, please give the money to someone else now. Come on, man. Come on.
If you don't need it, help your
If
neighbor.
you don't need it, help your neighbor. Help your neighbor. Or you might even bring your church so that I will donate them to them. Send your church account.
No, then they will send my account to you. Be that now for you.
Send your church account and I'll drop the money. So that being said, let's talk about Zinoleesky. And also we're going to revisit Davido's private jet matter.
Yeah.
You know, and they try to convince everybody, say, I don't believe, say, Davido buy that private jet.
They say I thought that
later, Abi, you now, they say you don't join me.
They no be small each other collect that deal. But I know I share.
They say you don't join me, the hate on
Actually, in Papa, okay, we'll just start the way we'll to start. No, be Davido want to class.
No, Davido be the last
last
man standing. So meanwhile, there is this video from Zinolesky. Of course, you don't see the video. They drive a Lamborghini. Plus, now two of them get her for Lagos. You see, now him and Burna Boy get the same Lambo. Sorry, Ferrari.
Ferrari, no. They are more than that now. But maybe you just know him based on your own color.
Now, he talk and say, now only two of they get that Ferrari for Lagos.
How you tell me saying only two Ferrari they Lagos?
No, that can't very Ferrari.
Okay.
This guy don't buy new, okay, this guy Lambo. Now Ferrari buy now
whiskey.
That new
whiskey get Ferrari, whiskey, yeah.
So
now whiskey get the latest one now. For now, among them.
No, Burna Boy about that.
Whiskey on the latest pass Burna Boy on.
I don't know.
That you hear the amount. 1.4 billion.
Yeah, by the money.
Baba, the money for now the latest. Check them. Now the latest.
I will check them.
Yeah, now the latest whiskey buy.
I will check them.
Big boys, they now then they drive them for outside
the
there.
main thing be say this Zinolesky was trying to throw blue when the person go eat motor. And obviously, when I see come outside there, my mind be say Zino.
Baba.
Your God no build your body to throw blue.
No. You know sometimes.
God.
You know sometimes in life, you get who you wish to be like. But just keep you far from that person where you wish to be like.
You wish to be like The Rock.
The Rock. So maybe not the tattoo where you go draw. Because normally, even me The Rock, since that year I don't know The Rock, I fall in love with him with that tattoo based on the muscle, the way the tattoo come out. So now, me too, I admire the tattoo. But I believe say I get body parts, it's in a way. I never would dream of to draw my own. So I believe that tattoo.
Now they give up.
He believes say maybe that tattoo gets spirit. Maybe say if you drum, you believe say if you beat. But you say no be celebrity be if you collect for there. You go to Sabak Beru. Bus driver. Oh boy.
But that bus driver deserve to be said. If na me,
It deserve
I
to
will do
be.
wetin works for that bus driver.
No, why?
Once you go drive bus, you park bus for middle of the road, leave passenger inside.
No, you're
Because say you
the
see
no.
celebrity.
Is a normal thing we don't they talk from beginning. You know, some people the way they carry these celebrities, their fans, as in they overdo it. And when you overdo it, when you over love somebody or you over like person, you do something that say you no get sense. You just like no matter what they talk for followers now, no matter what they talk. Now the same thing that guy do. You just be the guy doing it in a tout agbero way. Because I'm very good, I'm doing my own business now. Imagine you, I think you there here now. Zino or allow me to come pass. And with the shoot, I can't come up for the shooting, say because I won't go greet Olamide. For what? So Olamide feeding me? No. So I believe the guy, he do him out of love. And maybe he expecting money go come out too. Based on, you know, Agbero life, now, Baba, all those kind of life.
No be well, I understand, but no be everybody made they drive.
No be everybody celebrities they give money.
They spray money for outside. Now to say na me, but it just that Zinolesky blow no hot.
No,
He actually throw before.
he throw, but bro, breeze carry am. Only thing I just know to be say, he's a kind of lucky person based on say one, they will just show based on saying a celebrity. I guess the kind of area where you go do that thing go collect. You know who fit do that kind of thing go free? Where we say he go come and share money there. People like Portable no go send car wey drive. Based on that Agbero vibe dey in body already. So at that Agbero come, they knock him out to Portable. Only waiting just to
But
be
one
there.
person just call they knock Ferrari.
Only waiting Portable go do be say, they don't do this guy before now. Now Davido they do whiskey. Now in expensive car, the only waiting the guy just video to move away now to pour money for air. I put money for air now. The attention leave the can. Everybody want pick money. Then me zoom off.
And the girl with me, you just hit person for knowing it.
So if the Zuno can't give out money, only what I will advise him, if he can't give any way they come out with that car as a celebrity, because I believe that the most expensive car for him can be that. If he no one give out money, I will advise him where he go do tinted to that car.
Me sef, I wonder say get money to buy fuel for that car. Na wetin Ruga talk say if you buy Ferrari don't get fuel.
Maybe now once in a while they drive am. Maybe they drive am once in a month.
No, they drive am well this time now. They drive am all the time now.
Okay.
Like it be like say money don dey for fuel.
Man, maybe he don't drop now. Maga don't pay. He don't drop. But anyway, I will advise him way bu other tinted for that very car so that they know say na him.
Brother, there is no love in driving a supercar without people don't know say who they sell.
But many people are driving supercar, but we don't know.
But there is no sweetness. Why you want to drive supercar? No, where people notice you.
Where people notice you, that one day, but must they notice you everywhere you go? When you park, come down, they will notice you.
I saw like Abuja now. I feel say it's sweet to drive
It's so you go.
I
I be tell you now. For you supermarket, one guy bring one car. Don't know the product. Na sport car too. First day, man see car with the park himself. Bros, I forget my big boy. I stand and look. But you know say Abuja, everybody get pride. Nobody say Oga. No, nobody get that time. Everybody just dey when they carry style, they look the car. This na girl. The girl just come down, waka enter. The security even dey like, babe, come park your car where. The girl just say, no, don't worry.
Which park yourself?
Which I know that girl to want show herself because normally you can park yourself where. The guy go, the car arrange itself.
Well.
You see all the security open mouth dey look. Me too, where I dey look. Mumu better one. But if that kind of thing happen for Lagos, and that girl dey come outside, Agbero wey go rush am based on say she must drop mama.
No, I don't feel like a celebrity.
So na so it just be. So you know the Abuja.
Well, let's move past that. Let's talk about Davido. Make you one for chop you. Because come here, everybody know me before. I no be anybody fan.
When I say I know they chop me, no be say they want to chop me because that night I know visit all my body they pain because of the chopping. When I say Davido, na audio jet, no be say I no say na him buy am. Because normally the way this life dey, if your papa buy property, no wait, allow me to finish. The way people don't they think now. If your papa buy property, now you get am. Baba na lie. I will still stand there. Because nobody you dey born.
Davido no fit buy that private jet. Now the amount I dey talk about. No be who the private jet.
But like me, no be say I no say no get that money, but no
You
fit
no
buy
get
am.
am.
No, if you get that money, if you buy am, you
You
go go
no
broke.
get am. 75 million US dollars. You no get am. Let's be honest. You no get am. If na private jet of $6 million, I go hype am out say Davido buy am. If na private jet of 10 million US dollars, I go check small, say no be him
Now
buy
no be
am.
10, no be 20, no be 30, no be 40.
75 million.
But that money long go. How much you
E
call
dey
am
whine
for? How much you
Jesus.
call am for naira?
E dey whine Jesus. I no buy fit calculator.
No,
E dey whine
that money long,
Jesus.
that money long, that
Eh,
money long.
Bombardier.
Over.
750. Eh,
But it's like wetin
7,500.
dey vex people be say they say we no wish tell am congratulations. Davido, congratulations for
I
your
know now.
new
I talk. I
for your you say congratulations for the fake
I beg,
for the
see,
fake
see,
private
see.
jet. Eh?
If you check the last video I made alone, you'll see some people they made they get sense. They actually they make good comments. They feel say flashy lifestyle mean say now you they super rich. A day go come, the author say Davido get money pass Dangote.
Yeah, that one there. That one there.
The author say get money pass FME or $10 all those people. You understand? A day will come because of music. How much they make from music? Let's be honest.
No, they are making money. No talk that one.
No,
They are making money. But
listen.
no, we buy am.
Listen.
Okay,
If I talk say how much they make for music, and how much they make for music to buy that kind,
that kind thing. Yeah.
how much they make for music? For example, see, I dey follow Davido tour, I dey follow all their concerts. For example, all those the last 3 tours Davido do, even the Madison Square Garden tour me wan do, ticket are sold from $65 to $102.
Okay.
To $120. And after all the ticket, let me say 20 capacity buy ticket. How much be that? Maybe 1.8 million. You no go pay your record label. Record label, you no go pay. You no go book for the venue. You no go book for the venue. You no go pay for the venue.
That one
And
dey
again,
sure.
the producers who call, the managers who call, the lawyers who call. See, now artists be the last person that they pay money to. Artists. If an artist release album, if artists release album, they make money for that album. Is the last person they pay. They don't pay lawyer before they pay artists. They don't pay even your manager before they pay you. So tell me, for that kind of money, may go make like maybe 1.8 million US dollars. 1 million US dollar, 1 point something million US dollars, don't go already. So what did they come back to Davido? Now maybe 600K dollars, which is still really, really big money.
The big money, yeah.
Which is really, really big
But
money.
you know how many years go going to put that money to buy that kind of pre-jet?
In a 1 year concert, 1 year roster of how many show you attend, if all those show may you generate attend bring 50 million US dollars, Chama, half of that money if you get to you thank God. And it's a US citizen that pay tax. You understand? It's a US citizen that pay tax. All those kind of things. He no reach.
Baba, now your father motto, now as a motto, now your father play.
Him as an entity, he no reach. But him, as for his father side, he reach.
Now your father is rich.
Him as an entity, he no reach.
Him as Davido, he no rich.
Him as Davido, but him as a family.
But him as Adenuga, they rich.
That one. I want to make the understand that.
But normally, now him are not saying him buy jet.
Now he talking now. Say tear up herself.
Say him buy him for himself.
He say Bombardier. No be Jack Peruzzi. Everybody.
I understand now. No, normally, I could remember that year when my Porsche buy car too. That's why I say Toyota. so you got the people, Toyota.
I feel say you don't say Bombardier. Tear rubber.
You know,
say I just.
So now fans of the car this way.
No be fans. Now friends around that. Now they only put her for trouble. Kubana chief talk am. Kubana chief report even make all of that. Say that jet reach 75 million US dollars. There, Peruzzi, you see the video.
Peruzzi say, yeah, me and you smoke yesterday. The following day you come and say you buy jet. Go.
So it just a buyer be that one. So my brother, I see, you know, and I no go blame all those.
But anyhow we be, and I see you because your father go dey borrow. Anyhow we be.
Nah, I beg you. Okay, yes, not true. Shall I see you, sir?
Mo the first private jet, shey you say na your father get that one too. Who dey use am pass? No be he dey use am pass.
I say na 3 private jet you don't get now.
Only Davido. Oh boy. If I dey come up with this one, I go look like I go branch you. You know what I say? God say go down. I say no, Oga. Man checkmate that family first. Well, it's lucky, but anyhow, apart from it's lucky, on your own, he's a hardworking guy. So anyhow, we be sir, congratulations to Davido.
He's a hardworking
He's a hardworking guy.
He's a hardworking guy.
Because
if person they talk truth about the way he sees things about Davido, people start. I understand though. People know they understand. They feel saying a hatred.
No, nobody hates him now.
It's not
Congratulations, they shall not tell him now. I'll tell him now. I think maybe that one be the issue.
On your private jet.
Congratulations. You know that as we did now, they say Popsy buy yacht, maybe one private plane up. I'll tell you, I'll tell you congrats now. Yes, because once in a while, again when you go on travel, you say, my guy, married my Popsy. This is soon as you see get him. So anyhow, Davido, congratulations. I'm happy for you, sir. I'm happy for you. Yo, but why I respect Davido so much, be say on your own, hardworking guy, you no depend on him Popsy wealth.
Bombardier.
Because like this very foolish boy, the matter, man no call him foolish guy, but he talk with invest me. This old musician now, we say you know there are some people with their mother they follow go.
Okay, Brimo.
Waiting bring that kind of talk. Say you know there are some people with their father they borrow.
Brimo they fight everybody now.
You sure that guy is okay because the way he talk myself.
He talks so many things.
He said no believe in he no believe in air. Say he go air. There's a way measure what people go for and go air. He said no leave.
Thank God say no leave.
He said no believe in air. There's a way if he comes so low, go meet Whiskey, Burna Boy or Davido to sign up for record label. He said for him to go meet them, he prepared to go and fire.
You say no believe in hell.
No.
But you say you want to go hell because instead of you to go meet them. He contradicts himself. The wheat too much.
It's not okay, sure. It's not okay because the way he talk myself, you know, say it's not okay. So anyhow, sure, Davido, congratulations, more private jets.
20 private jets.
Don't worry, very soon you go yes, say local man. Adamslinkmedia don't buy.
People talk say you no get any private jet if Davido no fit buy. Private jet you know say there is $300 million.
You say no private jet with Davido no fit buy. Very soon they'll say Davido buy US. buy White House join now.
We will go agree.
No, we go. No, people see the way go believe you. People like them.
I beg you.
One say local man poverty they kill you. I say maybe this. One love. Thank you.